and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a pink and glowy makeup tutorial for you all, and I am so excited for y'all to watch this makeup tutorial because this is the first one for the new year of 2019. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Alright, so the very first shade that I'm going to take is from the Maybelline City Mini palette in the shade Blushed Avenues. And I am just going to be using that dark shade right there in the outer half of my crease and a little bit on my lid using this little crease brush. Going to take my blending brush and blend that shade out. Now I'm going to take the shade Harris, and I am just going to apply that to the inner and middle part of my lid using this flat shader brush. My small little crease brush, I'm going to take the shade Extravaganza from the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette again, and I am just going to apply that just a little bit into the outer corner and a little bit into my crease, just to kind of darken things up just a teensy little bit and help everything blend out a little bit better. Going back into the Maybelline City Mini palette, I'm just going to take that same shade that we started out with before, and again, I'm just going to put that onto the outer half of my lid and a little bit into my crease using this small crease brush. Alright, next I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and then I will be done with the eyes. Use the Profusion Face Cut Bronzer in the shade Sunlight Bronze to warm up my face with, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. I'm going to use the Essence Mosaic Blush in the shade All You Need Is Pink on the apples of my cheeks. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Profusion Blush Brush. Alright, and then last but certainly not least for the face is highlighter. And I'm just going to be using this white shade right here from this e.l.f. highlighting palette. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. So last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So for lips, I'm just going to be using this Mega Last lipstick from Wet n Wild in the shade Bare It All, and this is just basically a basic nude. I thought it would go really good with this eye look, which is why I chose it, so yeah. Alright everyone, so that is it for this pink and glowy makeup tutorial. I really hope you all did enjoy this video, and I will see you all in my next tutorial really soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.